Hey everyone, welcome back to FASTCABLING. Today in this video, we're diving into an exciting topic that's all about taking your security system to the next level. Now imagine if you could not only monitor your sites with HD network cameras, but also get real-time data from serial sensors. Sounds cool, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today by integrating the HD network camera with Modbus RTU over video device. So let's get started. So first, let's take a quick look at what a modern security system with HD network cameras looks like. Now you've got high-definition cameras strategically placed around your property, all feeding live video to a central hub where you can monitor everything in real time. It's an incredibly powerful setup for keeping an eye on your surroundings. But what if you have serial sensors and you want to know the data from these sensors and monitor the sites at the same time? So that's the question that we are addressing today. And our goal is to leverage our security camera system to transfer serial sensor signal using the Modbus RTU over video device. So now for those of you who might be wondering, what are serial sensors? So let me explain. Serial sensors are devices that collect data on various parameters like temperature, humidity, and water levels, and they communicate this data using the Modbus protocol, which is a widely used method for transmitting information over serial lines. And here are some common examples of serial sensors. Temperature sensors to measure the ambient temperature, humidity sensors to monitor the moisture level in the air, an air quality sensor to measure pollutants or other hazardous substances in the air, water level and turbidity measure sensors to keep track of the water levels in tanks or other containers and water turbidity. So these sensors traditionally send their data to a central system via serial communication lines. But today, we are going to take it a step further. Now, what exactly is a Modbus RTU over video device? In a simple term, it is a device that allows us to instantly overlay real-time sensor data onto video feeds from our security camera. This means you can now see real-time data like temperature, wind speed, humidity, and more directly on your camera's feeds. It can handle video feed from up to 4 cameras and connect to 3 sensors devices simultaneously. Also, it is compact, so it can be easily integrated and mounted into your existing system without taking up too much space. It also operates reliably in a wide range of temperature, specifically from -20 degrees up to 50 degrees, which is ideal for harsh environments. So integrating Modbus RTU over video device and the serial sensors with your security camera system not only enhances your monitoring capability, but also provide a more comprehensive view of your sites, and they offer several benefits. Collects and monitor data from various sensors in real time to enhance data collection and monitoring. Real-time sensor data overlay on your video footage so you can see important data directly on your video feeds, and improve security by getting instant alert if the sensor data indicates a potential issues. And last but not least, streamline your monitoring process by having all your data in one place can improve your operational efficiency. And before we jump into the integration process, there are a few things you need to prepare. First, check the compatibility of your current security system, because not all the cameras can be integrated with our Modbus RTU over video device. And then you should gather all the necessary hardware and software. And now let's walk through the integration process step by step. So on the demonstration board, we can see a HD bullet camera, the temperature and humidity sensor, the Modbus RTU over video device. And how to power them up? Today we're using this PoE extender. By using PoE technology, that's power over Ethernet, we can transmit both power and data through one single Ethernet cable to simplify the installation process, so the whole setup will be clean and neat. So let's begin with the sensor here. To connect the sensor to the device, you have to physically connect to the Modbus RTU over video device, and it is already connected. And this is the power cable. I'm going to connect it directly to our PoE extender. And this is a 1-in 2-out PoE extender, can support 2 devices simultaneously. Plus it has a special mounting tool, so you can mount it on the DIN rail flexibly. Now let's plug in the Ethernet cable. Then using another short patch cord to connect the PoE output port to our bullet camera. Last but not least, we're going to use one single Ethernet cable to power everything up. Let's plug it in. And this cable is coming all the way from our WebSmart PoE switch. So let's connect it to the switch to send both power and data. So it is connected. Since we're displaying video footage, so I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect the switch to the network video recorder. Here we have the internet, and the other cable is connecting directly to the computer. In order to make everything work, we have to go on to the computer and use our dedicated software. So now we're looking at our Modbus RTU over video software. I'm going to walk you through. Here we have the search button. By hitting it, we can search for our device, and as you can see, it popped up. All we need to do is double click it. And all the information will fill in automatically on the right. You can see the IP addresses and everything. And down here we have the cameras. Remember, we can connect up to 4 cameras. But keep in mind, not every camera works with our Modbus RTU over video device. So make sure you check with us first. And all you need to do is type in the IP address of the camera. Normally you can find it in your camera software, so which is right here. And I already plugged it in. This is the TCP port. The code for our camera is 8899, and your camera will have different code, and we'll provide a manual for the right code, so don't worry. And all you need to do is plug in the usernames and the password and select the brand of your camera. So basically we're done here, and then all you need to do is hit upload. So now we're done. And we are going to also explore the advanced feature like custom text overlay and graphics. You can adjust the position and customize your overlay for specific need. All you need to do is plug in the numbers right here. This is the program updates, and this is, you can change the language right here. So over here, we are done. Now let's switch to our NVR to see if we can get the data. So now we've switched to the network video recorder. As you can see, we have a live video footage. And underneath, we can see the temperature and humidity data. I'm going to walk over there and show you this is a live video feed. And then I'm going to try to blow some air into the sensor to see if the data will change. So take a look at our monitor. We can see the data is changing instantly. So this is how you set up a Modbus RTU over video device. By integrating the HD network cameras with the Modbus RTU over video device, now you can significantly enhance your security system's capability. Not only will you have high-quality video feeds, but also get real-time sensor data overlay, and providing you with a comprehensive view of your sites. Now, if you found this video helpful, Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a moment. Now, thank you very much for watching Fast Cabling, and I'll see you in the next video.